everybody? Welcome back to my channel, my fellow friends. If you are new here, please make sure to push that subscribe button, join the squad, and if you want a shout out at the end of my video, then all you gotta do is turn on the post notification bell and be the first to comment. Bubba, come on, let's go. So today I'm actually going to be washing my cars because I'm gonna be going up to the canyons, Azusa Canyons to be specific, and I'm gonna be doing some donuts over there. I'm gonna try to drift. It is a nice open space over there, so it should be good for me to practice on. You know, I hope there's not a lot of cops or people, but we'll have to find out. So washing Hondi over there. His name is Han. We're gonna name my Honda Han, okay? Because Honda Han. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm sweating my balls off. It is like 100 degrees right now and I'm not used to 100 degrees. I like the cold. I like 60 degrees, 70 degrees. I'm okay with that, but 100? Kill me now. Kill me now. Since it's really hot today, I'm gonna go ahead and move Nelson into the shade because with the sun, you know, it dries up the soap and then it leaves ugly watermarks and whatnot. So we're gonna go ahead and move him underneath the tree. Let's get it moving. Let's get it popping. Let's get it popping. Papa, 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 popping. Guys, my e-brake is going out. I almost crashed into Han. Fudge! It hit my shin! If a freaking Z-door has ever freaking shinned you, you know how painful it is. Let's go! Get out the work. Get out the work. Guys, I have my GoPro in my mouth. So if you guys hear me mumble, then that's the reason why, okay? What was the reason? That's the reason. Guys, they are freaking closed. So no reckless driving. Oh, I think that's for me. So I was freaking trying to go to Azusa Canyons, but they said that they have a fire. I'm so sad. We're gonna have to go ahead and see what else we're gonna do because everybody's freaking closed. It looks beautiful up here though. I'm gonna go ahead and run these bikers over because they're in my damn way. Hey, thank you.
Looks so much better in person.
Oh, thank you. Guys, this is my breakfast right here. I don't like to get the sandwich. I get the mac and cheese, french fries, and some fruit. And let me tell you guys, the mac and cheese is literally the best mac and cheese I've tasted in like forever. I used to like the Lucia's mac and cheese, but Chick-fil-A took them out and it is honestly amazing. Chick-fil-A, please, if you're watching this, sponsor me. They are not gonna sponsor me, but it's okay. Guys, I just heard a GTR. It's about to pass right now. Watch, watch, wait for it, wait for it. Where'd it go? Oh, it's right there. Oh my God, it's right there. Woo! Big hands up. Big. Hello. We heard your car. It sounds sick. I want him to rev it. Do you drift it? Oh my God, that's crazy. I am looking for. What am I looking for? I don't even know what I'm looking for. I don't know, but we're gonna be waiting here patiently for our friends.
No, I didn't crash. Someone crashed into me. I got rear-ended.
What?
Yeah, I swear. It was all bad. Someone hit me and then I hit someone else.
Oh, I see.
So on my cruise, it was fixed already.
Alright guys, so we're on our way to the canyons. We're gonna go all the way to the top. I haven't been there in forever. All the way to the top, I mean. Like, I've been to the canyons, but not to the top. Woo! This is Miata. staying here. I was trying to go here yesterday, guys. I was trying to come just for fun. Like, well, today's for fun too. I was trying to come yesterday just to come, and they were closed. I guess there was a fire up there, so I'm hoping all goes well. No fire, no mountain lions, no nothing. Hey, I always get confused with the BRZ and the FRS. I don't know why, but I'll never forget when I saw a crash Z right here. In one of my old videos, I actually posted it, but there was a crash Z. Like, thank God they were okay. You know, I'll just never forget that. Damn, Miata putting in work. Look at her. I thought we were gonna be driving slow. I'm driving like a granny right now, if I'm being honest. Woo. Uh-oh, there's a slowpoke. Oh my God, we freaking found we found Tom the turtle, the one in the white car. Oof, we're never gonna get there now. All right, guys, so we just got to the canyon, and we got Bree here. Who's this?
Who's this?
Yeah.
That's Nozomi.
Nozomi, guys. Isn't that such a cool name? Nozomi? What? You don't like it?
No.
What? Who gave it to her?
Me?
I don't know if it's a boy or girl, so I said to Herm. Hermy the wormy.
I mean, it's a piece of shit. It's overheating right now.
Aww. I wanted a Miata, but I don't know. Like, I'm kind of into like small cars, but I'm also into like, you know, like bigger cars.
Yeah.
This is really small.
I mean, Miatas
so, like,
are fun, but
yeah.
I say don't get one. I have bad luck.
I know, guys, she has the worst luck with this little Miata. Okay, so basically what we're gonna do, we just got to the canyons, and she's never been in Nelson,
No,
so
I
we're
haven't.
gonna give her a ride along. And I'm actually gonna practice doing an 8 because I think I got the donuts good now. They're somewhat okay. Like, I think I'm okay at doing donuts now, but I don't know how to do the 8s. So I'm about to learn that today, and she's gonna be in there.
It's my first time. I'm
Yes.
kind of nervous because
if we die,
she goes off, she goes off. I don't know.
yeah. So let's get it, guys. What the fuck? What? Oh my God.
My seat just flew sideways.
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. My seat, it's missing a bolt.
Oh God.
Yeah, this seat that she's sitting on right now, it's missing a few bolts. I don't know if you guys watched the video of me installing these seats. So she might fly out. No wonder. That shit was scary.
The seat is scary.
BBC off this time. Whoa! What the fuck? I'm getting thrown off. You know why?
Is it because it's a downhill?
I think so. Yeah. It's a little weird.
I wish you had that thing here. I would have been like,
Oh
shit.
yeah, like
oh, shit.
Oh my gosh. God, I'm doing so bad. All right, I'm gonna try to do a donut here. Can't promise I'm gonna do good, but we'll see. Alright, so I'm finally back home, guys, and honestly it was so fun going up the canyons, but for some reason Nelson is not feeling the same. Like, I don't know if it's because it was like a mountain and it was slanted, and I'm over here trying to do 8s or like even donuts. I was barely able to do the donuts, but I was trying to do the 8s, and for some reason it was not cooperating. Like, I don't know if it's Nelson or the hill. When I was trying to do the 8s and stuff, Nelson just felt kind of weird. Like, he felt really heavy and it felt like it didn't want to do it. Like, I don't know how to explain it. I'm gonna have to look into it because I don't know what it could be. Emoji of the day, guys. Last time I freaking forgot to tell you guys the emoji of the day, and I felt so heartbroken because I love to do emoji of the day. So this time, emoji of the day is going to be a tire coming down a tire or the little smoke, up to you. Yeah, so we were freaking up there and I freaking got burnt rubber in my face. Like, the smoke of it, for some reason it just kind of hit my face and I got a piece of rubber in my eye. So we can use the tire emoji for the emoji of the day, and I would really appreciate it if you comment down below right now. Anyways, before I end up this video, I do want to give out a post notification. So for today, it's gonna go out to Camilo Hernandez. Thank you so much, and if you want to start in my next video, you guys know what to do. I'll catch you in my next video, and I'll see you guys very soon. Peace. Look at that.
in the coupe, oh yeah. Got a pipe full of red, oh